class 10th chemistry. Many scientists have given many descriptions about the chemistry, but what about in class 12? Whenever you will go, you will see the definition of chemistry. Is that branch of science in which we study about the molecules and formation of millions of compounds. From the invented elements. Lavoisier is assumed as the father of chemistry. Now from today we have to discuss about the first chapter, chemical reactions and equations. My first question goes to you, why elements react with each other? For example, why do you go here and there in your house, in your home or anywhere? Only one reason is behind it, to fulfill your needs. Because everything in the universe has their own significance, so that all elements have their particular character, and on this behalf each element just react with each other to form new compounds. So that the elements react with each other to only to fulfill their octet. It means in the last number of in class 9th you will have studied about the electronic configuration of elements. In the outermost number of electrons present in the outermost orbit take parts in chemical reactions. Only either by giving or by taking it completes their octet. As per energy level, whether the energy is required, the chemical reactions takes place. So my first chapter goes to you, chemical reactions and equations. Lavoisier is assumed as the father of chemistry. Now, one thing is essential. I am just going to teach you chemical reactions and equations. Meanwhile, I would like to suggest you must sanitize your surroundings by using bleaching powder, CaOCl, and using some Dettol's or Savlons in that one. It will just prevent the areas of either surroundings of your home, and whenever if it is necessary, then you must use these type of calcium bleaching powder in your house also. It will protect you from viruses and insects, etc. Another chemical compound is potassium permanganate, K2MnO4. This is very essential. You can say this is very important chemical compound. It will kill the germs and viruses within 5 to 10 minutes. It is useful to sanitize the vegetables, fruits, or any substances which are being bought by from market. It will be very useful to us. Now, chemical reactions and equations topics of first chapter. Chemical reactions and equations. Equations. First question goes to you. What is chemical reaction? The process in which new substance with new properties are obtained by the reactions of either elements or elements or compounds is known as chemical reaction. During chemical reaction, atoms of one element do not change in another property element. Every chemical reaction has two parts. साबुन से हाथ धोए क्या? हमेशा याद रखो, हर 1-2 घंटे 1 घंटे के बाद लाइफबॉय साबुन हो या जो भी हो जिससे झाग ज़्यादा निकलता हो, उसका इस्तेमाल आप 30 सेकंड तक साबुन को बढ़िया से अपने हाथ पर रगड़ें। ये दैनिक मतलब दिनचर्या में शामिल कर लें बेटा, क्योंकि 1 से 2 साल तक हम लोगों को इसी तरह की जीवन को जीना पड़ेगा। अभी हम लोगों का पूरा जीवन डर में जी रहे हैं, किस वक्त कहाँ से कौन क्या आ जाएगा यह अननोन और इन्फिनिट है। तो मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि प्रिकॉशंस ही हम लोगों का बचाव है, और फिर से मैं कहूँगा कि आप हाथ धोइए। चलिए हम आपको दिखाते हैं कि क्या क्या होता है रिएक्टेंट्स और प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शंस। ईच इक्वेशन has reactant and product. First question, what is reactant? Those elements or substances which take part in chemical reaction is known as the reactants. Another one, product. The new substance produced as a result of chemical reaction is known as product. For example, Zn plus H2SO4 ZnSO4 plus H2 Na plus Cl NaCl. Those elements, these are reactants these are products. Now let's we have a look on characteristics of chemical reactions. There are several types of chemical reactions takes place in our day-to-day life also. It is not that the chemical reaction can be carried out only in science laboratory. A large number of chemical reactions keep on occurring in our day-to-day life also. Souring of milk when left at room temperature during summer. गर्मी के दिनों में अगर दूध को खुला छोड़ दिया जाए या रख दिया जाए तो वो खट्टा हो जाता है. Digestion of food in our body. process of respiration, fermentation of grapes, rusting of iron. उसके बाद ब्यूमिंग ऑफ फ्यूल्स जैसे कि लकड़ी, कोयला, केरोसिन, पेट्रोल, एलपीजी एट्सेट्रा। अब इस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में मैं आपको नेक्स्ट क्लास में प्यारे बच्चों बताऊंगा कि केमिकल रिएक्शंस के कौन कौन से कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं। उसमें हम लोग पढ़ेंगे द इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शंस आर इवोल्यूशन ऑफ अ गैस, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ प्रेसिपिटेशन या precipitate, change in color, change in temperature and change in state. And then after we will go entire discussion on these 5 characteristics of chemical reactions, and then after we will discuss types of chemical reactions. Thank you and have a nice day.